I'm gonna be 100% truthful here. I'll remember you for me waking up in the morning and you always being there in my mind. I spent a lot of time with you, but not enough, if you know what I mean. Days are too short in the PBB house, and if I could spend more time with you, it'd be a blessing. That's why I never left your side, and that's why I always followed you, because I didn't want to leave you. I can't really imagine you not being with me, let alone, you know, a few hours. That feels like forever, you know. I felt quite hurt when you walked away from me, but I guess I deserved it. Over the past few days, I've liked you more and more, and now I've come to realise that don't get angry with me. I love you.
When I first saw your picture, I had a crush on you. And when I found out that you're only 12, you're so handsome. And I asked God, why are you 12 years old?
Yeah.
Sorry if I always annoy you.
Silang dalawa.
I'm really sorry.
Kasi baka di ba
You don't annoy me.
tapos sabi ni...
I'm happy that you're talking to me.
I really like you, but I hope all you say is true. I will miss you.
Yes.
I love you too. I want you to know that I'm not ready for any commitment
I'm
or
not either.
something. And that's because I'm really afraid. Understand? Of falling in love and being left alone. You know, you have to be mature now. You're 13.
Yes.
What is your...